Good afternoon, it's Chris from Stockton Land Rover. I hope you're well. Wanted to do a brief video of this car. We've just got into part exchange. It's worth having a bit of a chat about this car. Quite rare car as well. So we're a P300e hybrid, but we're an autobiography. So that's basically the halo car of the Evoque range. What I mean by that is there is nothing higher within Evoque. It comes with absolutely everything on it. It's just a really nice specification car. So we've got it in the grey, and we've got the LED headlights with adaptive LED technology on the front. We've got this rose gold finish, which is only on autobiography. So you've got it on the lettering here, and no other car in the Evoque range has that. And then we've got the side vents, the grille on the front, and the bonnet finished in the same colour. Diamond turned wheels, and the red brake calipers are also a standard feature with it being autobiography, along with the keyless entry denoted by the little indents on all the doors here, and we've got the nice black contrast roof as well with privacy glass. The car is a fully approved car, so will come with at least 1 year warranty, 2 years if you are financing. Coming around to the rear, again we've got the nice rose finish on the lettering, which is unique to autobiography. Rear cameras on the car, and then into the rear we've got plenty of boot space. You've got a Type 2 cable in there, and then the storage for an additional cable, or well, to be fair, you can put the 3-pin and the Type 2 both in there as well. Autobiography as well is giving you your little lights on your entry, which is a really nice little feature to have. Just coming around the side of the car, again with it being approved, there's no, you shouldn't expect any damage, no scuffs, no scrapes, certainly no marks on the alloy wheels. If I just come into the rear of the car as well, we've got the cloud leather interior. With this being autobiography, it is the full Windsor leather interior, and the rear occupants have got heated seats as well. Just going into the passenger front, full electric seats, again in the cloud with the full Windsor leather, and the nice stitching on here, and with it being autobiography as well, you get the full leather top part of the dash as well. So this car also, with it being autobiography as well, the full Meridian surround sound system, which is the option over and above the standard Meridian system. If I just jump into the car, the exact mileage is 22,596 miles. Onto the top section here, essentially everything's on here for you. You've got your sat nav, your Bluetooth, your radio. We also have your Apple CarPlay and your Android Auto on there for you as well. Then down into the middle section, we've got your secondary screen, which is going to show you all your four-wheel drive system, including full all-terrain response. We've got your heated seats in the front by pushing and twisting, and we've got cooled seats as well in the front because it is autobiography. Heated front and rear windscreens. This pops out just for you to have your cup holders and this can go into the central console just down in the middle. Then we've got the full fixed panoramic roof on the car, and then up here we have something called your ClearSight rear view mirror. So that's your normal mirror as you would see it. Then if you flip this up, you've got a full high refresh rate definition screen showing you the rear of the car. So basically, if there's occupants in the back, they essentially disappear. This will also give you an extra 15 degrees of viewing angle as well. Up onto the dash, we've got full interactive driver display, so that's giving you all your information for your sat nav, your Bluetooth, your speed, or a combination of all three, because you can lay out that screen how you'd like. Then we've got all your infotainment on the left hand side of the steering wheel, and on the right hand side we've got your adaptive cruise control with speed limiter and heated steering wheel as well. Blind spot monitor is also on the car, so little yellow dots, they'll disappear when you start driving to let you know if there's anything in your blind spot coming up on the side of you, and memory seats for the driver as well. Wireless charging is also standard on the... It's a really nice example. There are not very many autobiographies around, certainly not like this in this specification, and it's a really nice finish. Definitely worth having a test drive of this car. Alternatively, prior to test drive, we can just reserve the car for £99, subject to test drive, looking at part exchanges or any finance. If you'd like to do that, my name's Chris, and the number's 01642 644